Are you an owner or a shareholder actively working in an S corporation? Were you perhaps instructed by someone to form an S corporation and then take just distributions for income? That way you save on taxes? Well, there's a caution here, and there's a term that is very important for all S corporation owners. And that term is reasonable compensation. As a shareholder that is working actively in an S corporation, the IRS does require you to take reasonable compensation, which is basically the same amount as someone in your position would normally take in your corporation. Or another way to look at it is, how much would it cost to replace you in your corporation? This is a hot topic and can actually trigger audits with the IRS. So it's important that if you are an S-corp owner, that you do take reasonable compensation, that you pay into Social Security and Medicare, because your salary, reasonable compensation in an S corporation, is a deduction to the business. And it's important for you to contribute into Social Security and Medicare anyway. So if you want to discuss this even more and look at this as to why S corporations shareholders must have reasonable compensation, it's important to consult with a tax professional to review your S corporation, one that is going to not just say, well, don't worry about the taxes part of it or the Social Security Medicare taxes of it. No, you need to find a tax professional who really wants to help you work through this, and as well as even help you determine reasonable compensation, which, by the way, if you are taking compensation for your S corporation, you may even be taking too much, and thus an examination with a tax professional can help you to determine what actually is the correct amount of reasonable compensation for you to take. So yes, let's work together to try to figure out what your reasonable compensation should be as an owner of an S corporation.